Good morning, students. In our last session, we had begun with this topic advertisement, and that day we had done display advertisements. Today is the turn of classified advertisements, and these advertisements are such where we pay for words. So, economy of words is very essential in these sort of advertisements. There should be no pictures, and the information is written in the form of incomplete sentences. I'll explain you later on what does this all mean. But before that, I have to show you the difference between a display and a classified advertisement. In the newspaper, if you see these sort of advertisements, these are display advertisements where there are pictures, there are certain words here, you can see it over here. These sort of advertisements which are printed in the newspaper, these are known as classified advertisements. You can see here, it's written here, Rajasthan Patrika Classified. So these sort of advertisements are divided into various classes. You can see here it's written here tuition, it's about Jyotish, it's about tours and travels, it's about finance, all these things. That's why they are known as classified advertisements, because they are divided into various classes. And here we pay for the number of words. So we have to be careful that the economy of words is maintained here. So in case of a display advertisement that day, I had sent you the video and we had done one display advertisement. Now today we are going to do classified advertisement. The format of a classified advertisement goes like this. Of course, as I told earlier, it has to come within a box. The situation is written over here in block letters. The word situation would not be written. The situation would come here. Like if you have to sell your vehicle, the situation would be for sale. If we have to sell a plot or something, we'll write here for sale. If we have to give the house on rent, it is to let. Like that, the situation is written in block letters. Then we write the content. In the content, economy of words, as I said, is to be taken care of. The word limit is 50 words. Then we have to write the word contact and then write name, address and phone number. These three words would not come. Simply you have to write the name, address and phone number. If in the board exams these are not given, just the phone number is given, then in that case we'll just write the word contact and we'll write the phone number. Now we have to note well that here no pictures would come, and that's why we cannot color these sort of advertisements. Now first situation is of a property for sale, on rent or required. Now in this case I have written the points over here. The number of rooms, the dining room, bedrooms, washrooms, these all things have to be mentioned. Then whether the house is independent or whether it's a apartment, it's a flat or something. Then the kitchen, the other facilities, these all things will come. And towards the last, we'll write the contact, name, address and phone number. Now here I have given you one example where somebody wants to give a flat on rent. You can see here the situation is to let. We have written it's a newly constructed flat, it's on which floor, it's in which apartment, it's in which area. Then you can see over here when I did not complete the sentence over here. I've written here newly constructed flat in Dwarka, Florence apartment. Then I've written here has 3. I have not written it has 3 bedrooms. Has 3 bedrooms with attached washrooms, a drawing cum dining room and 2 balconies. Then again I put a full stop and then I have begun with the next sentence, but I have not completed the sentence. I have not begun it with it. It begins with has well ventilated modular kitchen with attached door, additional car parking facility available. Any other thing which comes here can be added over here in this paragraph itself. It's one paragraph. Then we write the expected price or the expected rent and we write the contact, and in the question no name address was given, just the phone number was given. So we wrote the phone number over here. I have given you 3 unsolved examples. One is for house on rent, one is for house required, and one is for house for sale. You have to do all the 3 advertisements because the time taken to complete one advertisement is 5 to 7 minutes. So I think so in within 15 to 20 minutes you can at least do 2 to 3 advertisements. Okay, so try to do all the 3 advertisements in your copy. Thank you.